this is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and this is Cascara. I'm gonna go with Cascara because I don't even know. I'm probably gonna mix up pronunciations as I do this, depending on my mood. But that's this one. I'm assuming it's a coffee thing because this is from the BelleTress Cafe collection and everything's like drink themed. This is the Butterbeer Blonde. And this wig looks great in this color, doesn't it? It's a beautiful, short little, shattered, deconstructed, curly style. Looks beautiful in this color. That lace front's pretty nice too. This has a left-hand part and a very shattered, heavily textured style here. Like crazy shattered cut. You might be like, what does that mean? In case you've ever heard those words thrown around. So a deconstructed curl is one where it's not uniformly curled all throughout. The curls might start, you know, slightly lower down on the hair shaft. Heck, some of the hair may not even really be that curly at all. You know, they intentionally sort of leave some of the hair kind of straight. On top of that, the cut itself is shattered. So it is cut very irregularly on purpose all throughout this wig. And you can see it right here in the front too. Look at the different lengths all throughout. That isn't just the curl or an optical illusion about where the hair is placed. It is intentionally cut irregularly. So this is deconstructed and shattered. And because of that, it's gonna have very low hair density, but it's gonna have a lot of volume, particularly on the sides. It kind of does this triangle thing. That's the style right now. So it's incredibly trendy. But it's not gonna work on everybody, you know? I can pull off styles like this pretty well because I have a really pointy chin. You wanna make sure you pay attention to the dynamics of your face shape before you get into a style like this, because it might look really cute on me or somebody else who's got like a really, you know, defined jawline. But if you've got a really round face, this is not gonna be a great style for you. You want something with a little bit more height built in if you have round face shape or very soft facial features, because you're going to want help kind of defining some of those features out and kind of evening out the roundness. But if you're like me and you're in an inverted triangle, or you're heart shaped, or you have a long face, or you have a angular jaw that you're trying to kind of distract attention from, this kind of style is great. I'm going to go ahead and take Cascara off and show you the cap construction. This, as I said, is a lace front monofilament side part wig. There is a little bit of permatease here on the side opposite of where that side part is. So it's gonna have a little bit of permatease on the right, the part is on the left. We have open wefts on the side and in the back. We do not have a fully extended nape, but it's slightly extended, and there's felt back here. It adjusts a bit like a bra strap. It has a nice closed fuzzy felt ear tab, a little bit of metal in there to help keep the sides down. Don't worry about the TSA, by the way. You can walk right through with a wig like this, provided you don't have anything bulky underneath the cap. And even then, they can pull you aside in a room separately upon request, so you don't have to take your wig off. So, but just so you know, the less you have underneath your cap, the better off you're gonna be in a TSA line. This wig is relatively stretchy. I find it to be pretty comfortable on, though I will say it fits true to size and it is average. So really lovely cut, easy to wear, goes right into place. I love that in a wig. This is a great one, and I suspect it's going to sell out forever and ever and ever. And it's also got a lot less hair on it than something like January by Jon Renau, which is a little bit more evenly cut as well. Another one that's slightly similar is Hayden by Henry Margaret. There are lots of styles kind of like this, though I will say this is probably the shortest and the most shattered of the bunch. I'm Heather from CysterWigs.com. That's CysterWigs.com. Thanks so much for watching my wig reviews. Hopefully you subscribe so you don't miss any of them, which we aim to be thorough, so we cover a lot of different bases. If you like that in your reviews, you're gonna dig this channel. And until next time, have a great night, everybody. Bye-bye.